I just want to say that I'm so pissed off about my RV right now. Told us on a fucking inspection. It was like $700. The fucking warranty that we bought in case the fucking like transmission drops or anything, it was like $6,000. The air conditioner, when we went and stayed out there at Turp Fest, the air conditioner wouldn't cool it off in the heat of the day. It would sweat your balls off in the heat of the day if you were fucking really hard or something. And that was really irritating because you're out there to have fun and get wild, if you know what I mean. I didn't catch this on their pre-walkthrough video of the RV before we took control of it, took ownership of it. And then we went and stayed out there at Turp Fest, and that's when we found out the generator was kind of messed up and the air conditioner was kind of messed up. And now they're telling us that warranty don't cover it. And inspection was just pretty much a waste of time, I guess. Now it costs $700 for them to fix this. 3 hours is worth the fucking $600, and then the parts was like $150. Well, I guarantee you, if it was here at the house, I would have just looked into what was wrong with it. Spend about $50 to $100, and I'd probably get all the parts I need, and I'd just do it myself for $100. I figured that when I bought this RV, and after I got done camping, I figured, hey, I bought this from the RV place, so if I go fucking with it, I could mess up the warranty or any kind of protection that was on it. So I was like, I'll just let them handle it because everything should be covered because they sold me on this fucking warranty, right? And since the carburetor on the generator needed replaced, and the plenum inside the AC unit, and it gets stuck in the middle and it just blows out hot and cold at the same time, is what they were telling me. That's how come it couldn't cool off the fucking RV when it was hot outside. Just a flap, I'm pretty sure, that's in there that's doing that. And the carburetor, probably $20-$30. And then they got to mark that up 30%. They said if we order it, it's going to be 30% markup. And if it was my RV company, I would feel kind of obligated to make sure that the RV was taken care of. I would tell the person that I sold that RV to, hey, my technician didn't catch this. I'm sorry, it was kind of messed up. Let me at least take the labor off. Something. What are you going to do? I mean, maybe that's something that they didn't see during the inspection. But I only went camping one time. Do these things mess up every other time you go camping or what? I am so pissed off at these people. And I even called the fucking loan company to tell them, hey, these people, they sold me a warranty and then they sold me a fucking inspection and none of that caught that. What's wrong with it? And now they're wanting me to spend another $700 to fix whatever's wrong with it. Can I just take them the fucking RV back and not pay for it? I will never go to a fucking RV dealership again as long as I live because of PPL. PPL RV inspection wasn't worth crap. Even if the plenum did just now quit getting stuck, I didn't turn on the heater or anything while I was there fucking camping and it was cold. The biggest problem is, fucking less than $100, I could probably have fixed it myself. That's what pisses me off the most. This is almost as bad as when I traded my fucking Chevy 1500 for that fucking Jeep Compass I had there for a while. I quit trading after that because it pissed me off so bad. Now, this is the last time I will ever buy from a dealership. At least an RV. Fuck PPL.
There's just about everything listed on that generator is covered besides the carburetor, it seems. If you were to have a cylinder go bad or anything like that, they'd cover it, but they do not have the carburetor listed as a covered part. I talked to my technician, asked him what's the bare minimum he needs to be able to do it, and I brought it down to half an hour. On the generator, the bare minimum for that is going to be 2 hours is what he needs to replace that carburetor. The parts mark up. Every part that comes through our system gets marked up 30%. It may be better for you to order that carburetor and have us put it on. It'll be a little bit cheaper that way if you wanted to go that route. But as of right now, warranty will not cover any other repairs needed.
And this is stuff that's because it wasn't found during pre-inspection.
We have videos and everything showing where everything tested fine on the pre-inspection.
Okay, so how much is this going to cost me?
I'm looking $683 to get you out the door.
Let me talk to the owner of that place.
I can have him reach out to you.
Yeah, because I don't even know if I want the fucking motorhome anymore. 600 and some that's the fucking problem. This is only $50 worth of shit that needs to be put on it. I could do it my fucking self for less than $50. What I want to talk to their goddamn boss about is what in the fuck are they going to give me my money back for the inspection since they didn't catch us on a fucking inspection? What did we find out?
So extended warranty is there for like when the major components fully fail. It's not going to cover anything that is considered maintenance. Unfortunately, it's just it's not in the contract that you guys have through extended warranty. It's not coverable because it's considered maintenance.
We just need it done. Let's just pay the $700 on top of the $700 I already paid for the inspection that failed to catch any of this shit. On top of the $10,000 I paid for the fucking warranty, which don't cover shit. Let's just go ahead and fix this sumbitch so I can have it for Friday. I'm sorry to cuss, but
Randall,
I am just so fed up with this. You guys talked me into that damn inspection, and then you talked me into the damn warranty, and none of it covers it, even though it... Oh my God. Just sign the paper and they'll fix it, right? That's it?
yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
I'll just sign the paper and we'll have a good talk when I get there.
Randall, I understand that you're frustrated, and I do apologize, but I am trying to help. I'm trying to help you understand how it all works, but I don't want to be cussed at. I want to be spoken to like I'm human, and I do sympathize with you and where you're coming from.
No, you don't.
It just...
That's okay.
I do.
You did your best. I appreciate it. Have a good day. I'll just go ahead and sign the paper and I'll quit talking to you because I have nothing left to say to anybody at that place.
Okay.
Will they call me when it's done at least so I can come pick it up and at least have it for my concert? And will it be
Yes, sir,
done
we
before
sure will.
Friday?
If you sign the paper today, we can have that probably delivered here first thing in the morning. So we can get this dispatched to a technician and have that finished up for you by tomorrow so that way you can pick up on Friday.